Right, next step, if you want to access the Zoho One experience, z1exp.com and log in. It is free to Zoho tagged partners, and or if you can't tag me as your partner, you can sign up for Patreon. It's $10 a month per user, or there's a team. There is a team version for $25 a month that gets all your team in. But Zoho partners, Zoho will pay me 25% commission for the first 3 years of everything you pay them. If you tag me as a partner, all you've got to do is come to z1trial.com and go Zoho partner. I'll share a link as well. And click on here if you're a Zoho.com user, Zoho.eu. If you're other places, I can give you a tag. You can use my HappyMe company code. But all you got to do to get access is click on your Zoho. So click on that tag on. Click here to tag me. This will automatically add the tag. You have just got to confirm it. What you will find is down the bottom is what you've already tagged. It's obviously Zoho One because that's what you're paying for. Is what I want to be tagged as your company. HappyMe Limited is my company. If you are tagged, if you have another company here tagged, do not untag them. Leave the tag. And to other Zoho partners that are watching this, I do not ask people to untag you when they are tagging me. I only say if you aren't tagged to anybody, tag HappyMe Limited. So those Zoho partners that keep getting their customers or my customers to tag them, that's cool. I forgive you. But just remember, I don't ask people to untag you. So all you got to do at the top is confirm, click select all. You'll see all these apps that you aren't tagged as. Tag your partner. It will do it. Proceed. And down the bottom now, it will come up with you have tagged everything to HappyMe Limited. That just lets Zoho know that I'm helping their customers, and it will get you access to the Zoho One Experience forum. You won't know any different. You won't see any different. It won't cost you any more. It just gives me a little bit more weight with Zoho. When I'm looking for questions to be answered, it's taking a while, isn't it? And things like that. And then what will happen is I'll get an email saying that you've tagged me, and then I will invite you into the Zoho One forum. So here's the forum, and I will go and invite, send an invite to you. Send an invite when the email comes through eventually. Zoho mapping is taking its time. Come on, Zoho. There we go. So you've tagged those apps to me. When I close it, I should get an email eventually. There we go. So everything now is tagged as HappyMe. Tag your partner. So this is thank you for updating. So you'll get an email saying you've tagged me. I will get this email saying this customer has tagged you. I will grab that email. I will jump over to the Zoho One Experience and I will invite you. That is how you get in. Send an invite. You will get an email come through saying you are invited to the Zoho One Experience forum, Paul Nicholson Zoho One Experience, and you just click this because I'm like logged in. It won't work. In fact, should I log out and show you? I might as well show you all the way through while I'm here, right? So as you click here, you can put in your username. Can be changed later. Put in your name and a password. And accept, and you are in the Zoho One Experience, and you can browse around. There'll be lots of different mini courses. There'll be a lot of things showing up going forward. The step-by-step Zoho One guides that I'm making now will be here. If you get any questions, you just drop into ask any questions and then click new topic. Type in your question. I will see it and try to answer it my best. And the Zoho One Experience is there for you to get the most out of your Zoho One. So the forum will evolve for you to get the best experience, to meet other Zoho One users and get more specific answers. Any questions, you know where I am. See you in the Zoho One Experience, z1exp.com. See you soon.